One face, one voice, one habit. And two persons. A natural perspective that is and is not.
Antonio. Oh, my dear Antonio, how have the hours racked and tortured me since I have lost thee?
Sebastian!
Most wonderful!
Why stand there? I never had a brother. Nor can there be that deity in my nature of here and everywhere. I had a sister, whom the blind waves and surges have devoured. What kin are you to me? What parentage?
Leslie, Sebastian was my father, such as Sebastian was my brother too. So when he suited to his watering too.
Were you?
Oh, Lord! Madam! Now, art thou mad?
No, madam, I do but read madness.
Read it you.
By the Lord, madam, you wrong me, and the world shall know it. Though you have put me into darkness and given your drunken cousin rule over me, yet have I the benefit of my senses as well as your ladyship. I have your own letter that induced me to the semblance I put on, with the which I doubt not, for to do myself much right, or you much shame. The madly used Malvolio.
Did he write this?
Aye, madam.
See him delivered. Fabian, bring him hither. My lord, so please you, these things further thought on, to think me as well a sister as a wife. One day shall crown the alliance on it, so please you, here at my house, and at my proper cost.
Madam, I am most apt to embrace your offer. Your master quits you for your service done him. Here's my hand. You shall from this time be your master's mistress.
A sister, you are she.
Madam, you have done me wrong, notorious wrong.
Have I, Malvolio? No.
Lady, you have. Pray you peruse that letter, and tell me why, in the modesty of honor, you have given me such clear lights of favor, bade me come smiling and cross-gartered to you, to put upon yellow stockings and frown on Sir Toby and the lighter people, and acting this in an obedient hope. Why have you suffered me to be imprisoned, kept in a dark house, visited by the priests, and made the most notorious geck and gall that e'er invention played on? Tell me why!
He hath been most notoriously abused.
Pursue him and entreat him to a peace. Meantime, sweet sister, we will not part from hence. Cesario, come. For so you shall be while you are a man. When in other habits you are seen, Orsino's mistress and his fancy's queen.
When that I was a little tiny boy, with a hey-ho, the wind and the rain, foolish thing was but a toy, for the rain it raineth every day. But when I came alas to wife with a hey-ho, the wind and the rain, my swaggering good I never thrive, for the rain it raineth every day. A great while ago the world begun with a hey-ho, the wind and the rain, but that's all one, our play is done, and I will strive to please you every day.
Thank you so much for being here. I want to thank Entry Plaza State Park for hosting us. This is such a gorgeous park. And finally, we got a really gorgeous night with a nice breeze, and the heat's finally let up. So thank you for being here. The last 3 productions of this play have been rained out. So we are so relieved to finally get back to 12th night. We've been running Antony and Cleopatra just fine. But the weather is not cooperating with this, so thank you so much. I also want to thank the Department of Cultural Affairs of New York City for supporting this programming. And I also want to say, if on the way out you would like to scan our QR code to our playbill, it's back by the tech booth there on a little table. You can read about the company, or you can visit our website, which is hip2hip.org. This is our 15th summer of producing free Shakespeare. So thank you for being a part of it. We're so happy to be back in front of live audiences. Thank you and have a good night.